We are in a place that I'm sure everybody, or almost everybody, knows about. And that place is Troy.
The Troy excavation started in 1870 by Heinrich Schliemann.
We're trying to get that big tent, if you can see over there, behind those trees. Hello, why are you following me? You gonna stop following me now? Okay, I'm walking out with my scooter, seeing if he'll follow me. He's following me again. Keep walking. And then you're back. Hello. Hey, you're on the property where no one's supposed to go. I guess this dog has a VIP ticket to go on the dig site.
Troy is one of the world's most famous archaeological sites, filled with 4,000 years of history.
There's the tent now. We're trying to get there. I'm leaving my scooter right here. I'll just walk up those stairs quickly, up to that viewpoint, and come back. Scooter, stay right here. Do not move. Okay, you didn't move. That's good. Okay, so now we are at this tent place.
The Trojan War started in 1250 BC. The war was the Spartans, who are the Greeks, versus the Trojans. The reason why the Trojan War started was because Helen, Queen of Sparta, ran away to Troy with the Trojan prince, Paris. After 10 whole years of battle, the Spartans finally came up with a plan to defeat the Trojans. It was to make a really big wooden horse and give it to the Trojans as if it was a gift from the gods. What the Trojans didn't know when they brought the wooden horse into their city was that there were 40 of the best Spartan soldiers hiding inside. These men, at night, came out of the horse and attacked the city of Troy. The Spartans finally won the Trojan War. That is how the 10-year Trojan War ended. Here in the museum, there are many different coins, pots, and carvings found in the excavation of Troy. There are many unique treasures, like the golden jewelry shown.
It's a normal pillar, not ancient or anything. But if you see, there's 3 little openings in the pillar. So the lowest one, if you look in it, it shows that. And the second one, if you look in it, shows this. And the third one, if you look into it, shows this. So yeah, this pillar's pretty cool, and I had trouble getting to that one because, oh yeah, you get the point.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned on our channel to see more adventures here in Turkey.